So we're back with a big product again. This is ExaDesk. This is a standing desk. It is a 4 drawer shelf unit on top of it as well to help raise your monitor. And it's 30 inches wide as opposed to the traditional like 24 inches. So it is designed specifically to give you a full desktop setup on top of the fact that it's a standing desk. So we're going to take this out of this box, show you how to assemble it real quickly, and then we're going to show off some of its additional features, including its memory setting, where you can actually tell it to go to a couple of spots specifically the way you want it to make your life a little easier. So let's bust open the box and see what's inside. So it's very sturdy, as you can see here as I push down this. This is actually the standing height, which would be perfect for me. It is really cool. On top of the fact that you can program it by just hitting M, and then you tell it I want to set that as 1. Now I can take this thing down to sitting height. And program that as 2. So now, when I want to go between my sitting height, I can just hit 1, and it will now raise up to my specific standing height. And then if I want to go back to sitting, all I got to do is hit 2, and it will automatically go right back down to my sitting height. Now, on top of that, I can specifically just manually move the unit by holding the up arrow and lower it with the down arrow. Now if I like where it is and I don't want to actually hit the round button, I can always just hit the lock button for 3 seconds. That'll lock the unit, and it will only unlock if I hit and hold the lock button for another 3 seconds. Now this is really nice. I like the pull drawers with the kind of like faux leather design. It's really nice. It's got that little hold there in the back for cable management. It gave us a lot of these little tie-down straps that are, got a little bit of sealant on it to hold it in place, and then a little zip tie-like thing to specifically put your wires around, which is really nice. And it's designed to allow you to have ease of use however you want to use it, and that's really nice. Well, this is great for office settings. This is great for home settings. This is good for home office settings. It's really just a great and beautiful design. This is the rustic model, the dark rustic. There's also a lighter rustic, and then there's a black model. But I love this dark wood style to this. It's really pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching me build this thing and show it off to you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.